Welcome back. Complete the composition. Whoo, the advanced round. Here's what we're going to do for the advanced round. First of all, it's still just going to be 3 minutes. And again, we're playing complete the composition piano. Dig it? So in the advanced round, we are going to add 2 black keys. We're going to add F sharp, so right here, and here, and we're going to add C sharp. Dig it? Real quick question to all of you music minds out there. What key has an F sharp and a C sharp in it? That's right, D major. So, again, our tempo is going to be nice and bright. We're going to play in D major. Complete the composition. Round 3. Here we go. Your turn. Nice. What do you got? What's your answer? Ooh, nice. What do you got? Okay. Ooh. Okay. You try it. Love it. Okay, now I'm going to ask you a longer question. So you're going to give me a longer answer. Dig it? Probably going to be a 2-bar question, so wait for it. Use those ears. Stay focused. Here we go. Your turn. Your turn. What do you got? Nice. Ooh, what do you got? Okay. What's your answer? Nice. Stretch it out. What's your answer? Okay. Couple more to go. Ooh, what do you got? What do you got? Nice. Okay. Last one. What's your answer? Nice. Oh, that's it. We're done. How'd it go? Ready for the advanced round? That's coming up last. Advanced round, anything goes, and we're bumping the tempo up. See you there.